like the process of it and the end result. You would think like I cook all day. I'm around food all day. When you go home, you don't want to cook, but I'm the opposite. You know, so I do most of the cooking at home. I know my wife's gonna kill me for saying that, but I love to cook. I love spicy. I love jerk curry. We just bought this wok, and I fry everything in it. I mean, everything.
There's that same camaraderie that has to exist if you're going to be a team. The Giant philosophy was
people, people, people.
We were trying to talk in this thing.
No.
My name is Paris Bowling. I got with John in 2016. Been a deli manager for now 3 years. So I was born in the 80s, Capitol Heights. I grew up in Capitol Heights. Closest landmark is close to the stadium, by the DC line. So I'm right in the middle of both. Central Avenue.
And we're filming and yet.
My mom and my wife. Come on, girl, you gotta be quicker than that. Had a great childhood. I learned a lot early. My mom always had me into sports, basketball, football, cheerleading, gymnastics. Kept me busy. Hard work. It's in our family. My dad is a cement master, and he's been doing that for about 25. My mom's been a banker for 30 years. My mom worked day in, day out. That's my heart. That's my heart. My mom's, y'all gonna make me cry. My mom's very supportive. She's been in my corner since day one. Anything I need, she's there. But she just taught me life lessons, you know, respect, responsibility, and I use that every day at Giant. You know, when I come in, it's Giant. You know, game face is on, and you know, I feel like that's my store. That's Paris's Cafe, like, and that's how I want the expectations to be.
That's just her. You can't make a person want to go above and beyond. They have to want to go above and beyond.
When you like something and you're doing what you love, it's fun to me.
All right, chop it up, fix it up, make sure put some lipstick on the lips, all that. Oh, I know you're not recording that.
Today, I'm opening the new store at 147 Fort Washington. Not uncommon to get transferred, but when they told me that I was selected to go to the new store, I was taken back. I was definitely taken back. Just to know that my support system and my CSMs and my human resources, Ms. Kelly, Jennifer Cross, to know that they saw something in me that I guess I didn't really see in myself, and to know that I can handle it. It made it easy. It made it an easy transition.
Paris is dedicated. She always puts her best foot forward.
Intelligent, outspoken, very dependable.
Anything you ask her to get done, she gets done. In addition to the fact that you don't actually have to ask her, she takes the initiative to get it done. And she's just a people person, warm-hearted.
My work schedule's been crazy with the grand reopening of the new store, us just getting married, and I just bought a house. So it's a lot going on right now for me. I honestly feel like it's nothing that I can't do. With the support from my mom and my wife and even my fellow co-workers here at Giant, I feel like I'm honestly, you know, not to be, you know, cliche, but I think I'm unstoppable. Like, I have my mind made up, and I'm not gonna let nothing get in the way of that. And I'm focused, I'm determined, and I don't give up. So, I'm ready.